Good day, welcome to MarineMax here in Westbrook, Connecticut. My name is Justin and I'm standing on an all-new 2024 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This boat just came in from the factory yesterday. Let's talk about a couple of the features. It is equipped with the 300 Mercury, and as you're coming aboard, you'll notice that it does have a sports tower. This tower is a sports wakeboard tower. It does have a clip that you can wakeboard off of, and a epitome that covers to get some shade in the cockpit area. While we're talking about the cockpit, it is very spacious, redesigned. You notice that some of the cup holders underneath here are tucked under the seat, so they're not obstructing your walking area. It does have a removable table here as well. What's really nice about the 270 SDX is you can take both the seats on the port and starboard side, and you can pull them back, and now you come two loungers when you get where you're going, or anchor up, or put it on the hook and you're sitting and having a nice day watching the sunset. As we move forward to the helm, you'll notice that it has a Simrad integrated system and a Fusion stereo system. This is all touch screen, and this is again all brand new. On the port side, you'll notice there is a head, and there's a finished head with a hammered finished countertop and a porthole for ventilation. Moving up to the bow, you'll notice the amount of seating. I am 6 foot tall, and I can sit at one of these seats very comfortably with my feet up, enjoying the ride as the captain is taking us to Block Island for the day. You'll notice these armrests do come up. The cup holders again are underneath the seat. It does have a removable bow table, which is stowed conveniently underneath the helm. And for a 270 SDX, you do have a windlass anchor, and as you can see here, they put the cover over the top of the windlass anchor to keep it covered from the weather and the spray from the ocean. If you'd like to know more about this boat, please give us a call. Again, my name is Justin. I am the sales associate at MarineMax here in Westbrook, Connecticut. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Have a great day.